Want a cleaner, more minimalistic start page in Vivaldi? In this video, I'll show you how to simplify the layout, reduce visual distractions, and keep only the elements you actually use. First, let's talk about speed dials, since they make up most of the start page. Open a new tab and take a look at your current setup. If you have a lot of tiles, folders, or shortcuts, this is usually what makes the page feel busy. For a more minimal look, try keeping only a single speed dial folder. You can create one called something like Minimal or Favorites, and move only your most important websites into it. Everything else can be removed or left in other folders so it doesn't appear on your main start page view. Next, go into Settings by pressing Ctrl F12. Once Settings is open, go to the Start Page section. Here you can adjust how your new tab page looks and behaves. One of the easiest ways to make the start page look cleaner is by hiding the start page navigation menu at the top. Set it to hide and the navigation bar will disappear. You can then continue simplifying the visual layout. You can set the speed dial tile size to small, which reduces visual noise and makes everything more compact. You can also adjust the number of columns so more items fit neatly on the screen without feeling spaced out or distracting. If you want an even cleaner appearance, you can also disable the search bar that appears above your speed dials. To do this, select Search from the menu on the left and turn off the option called Show Search Field on speed dial. If you want an even cleaner look, consider using a minimalistic wallpaper or theme. A simple background with subtle colors, clean gradients, or a plain design can make the start page feel much less distracting while keeping the overall appearance modern and professional. Now let's move away from the start page and look at interface elements that can also affect how minimal your new tab feels. To make the interface even cleaner, click the Toggle Auto Hide button in the bottom right corner of the Vivaldi window. This hides interface elements until you need them, giving you more space and a more minimal look. If you want to turn Auto Hide off again, simply move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and click the button once more. Widgets can also make the start page feel busy. If you have any enabled, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of a widget and select Remove Widget. To remove all widgets at once, open Settings, go to Start Page, and disable the Enable Widgets option. Once everything is set up, open a new tab and you'll see a much cleaner, more minimal version of Vivaldi. It still gives you quick access to your sites, but without all the extra distractions. And that's it. With a few simple adjustments, you can turn Vivaldi's new tab page into a clean, distraction-free workspace that fits your style. If this video helped, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and customization guides. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll catch you in another video soon.